Hello, and welcome to the Math Winter Wonderland. My name is Joe. Let's begin. To begin this lesson, we are going to talk with the absolute value camel pharaoh.
Solving absolute value equations. In this equation, you have absolute value of 2x minus 6 minus 2 equals 12. Since you have something outside of the absolute value, you have to add that to both sides first before solving. So then you're left with 2x minus 6 equals 14, and 2x minus 6 equals negative 14. On the left equation, you're going to add 6 to both sides, so you're left with 2x equals 20. Then divide by 2, and you get x equals 10. That's one of your answers. On the right equation, add 6 to both sides again, and you get 2x equals negative 8. Then you get x equals negative 4 when you divide by 2. You have absolute value of 3x minus 7 equals x plus 1. So now you're going to have 3x minus 7 equals x plus 1, and 3x minus 7 equals negative x plus 1. On the left equation, subtract x from both sides and add 7 to both sides, so you get 2x equals 8. Then divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 4. Then add x and add 7, you get 4x equals 8, divide by 4 and you get x equals 2.
Welcome back. Now we will go speak with Santa Claus. Something interesting you don't know about Santa Claus is that he doesn't just deliver presents. He also is extremely good with absolute value inequality equations. Here he is. Let's begin. Here it is.
No.
Solving inequalities lesson. First you have to get the absolute value on its own. And since the plus 4 is outside of the absolute value of 2x plus 7, you minus 4 on both sides, then you end up with the absolute value of 2x plus 7 is less than 4. Then you set the entire absolute value equation, 2x plus 7 negative, set it less than 4, and then do the positive version and set 4 less than 2x plus 7. Then you set them into two equations, and you make the entire problem for the left one negative 2x minus 7. You get rid of the 7, so you add it, then you have negative 2x is less than 11. On the other one, you do 4 is less than 2x plus 7, you subtract the 7 from both sides, so you get rid of 7 and get negative 3 is less than 2x. Then you need to get rid of the 2, and so you have to divide by negative 2 on the left side. And when you divide by a negative, you flip the signs. That's why you have x is greater than negative 11 over 2. On the other one, you just divide straight up by 2. You end up with negative 3 over 2. Inequality equations greater than or equal to. The first step is to get the absolute value by itself. In order to do that, you need to divide by 2 on both sides. You end up with the absolute value of 6x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 3. The next step is you need to separate it into two equations. So for the positive side, you set it greater than or equal to 3. That's why you have, on the left side, you have 6x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 3. On the right side, you set it negative. This would be negative 6x plus 4 is less than or equal to 3. Next, you need to get rid of the 4. So you add it on the left side, making it 6x is greater than or equal to 7. Then on the right side, you subtract it, making it negative 6x is less than or equal to negative 1. Then you divide by 6x on the left side, making x is greater than or equal to 7 over 6. On the right side, you divide by negative 6, and you get x greater than or equal to 1 over 6. You flip the sign because you divide by a negative. Thank you for joining us at the Math Winter Wonderland. Have a great day. For more math information, go to jeffersonlabs.org. Goodbye.